Hello guys, we're truly excited today. We have Mr. Aji Varghese, our ex-student who has become extremely successful, who have received his first job letter yesterday.
Hi, thank you very much for watching me. I have to tell you a very interesting story about myself today because tomorrow is my first day with one of the leading IT firm.
Hi.
Very nice meeting you, Aji. Please have
Thank
a
you.
seat. Thank you.
I'm so excited today. Now it's my
Unbelievable. You have made it.
Yes,
You have
thank
made
you.
it.
Thank you very much. Without you, it was not
Well,
possible.
first of all, I want to know that how long did it take for you?
It's almost 6 months.
You are one of our proud, and we want to know your story. Your story will be thousands of immigrants, people's story who come to this country to achieve American dream and somehow get lost and they don't know the path. Now, we would like to know your experience. So how was that possible? We want to know from the starting point. When did you start with us?
I also came to from Dubai to this country
Okay.
with a lot of aspiration, but I was in a different field. And from there, I was exploring, okay, how I can progress in my career.
Did you think at the beginning that you'll be able to do it?
Although a Transfotech student, he was having a different field, then he joined Transfotech, then he got a good career there. Then he referred me. Then I started exploring this one. Then I was a little hesitant actually.
This is a very unique model, what we have architected out of many other boot camps out there, right?
So this kind of classes will help us to mold, especially when facing the practical question, practical experience. Especially in our group, we can discuss our issues, and somebody else was coming some kind of solutions, and sometimes that can be some challenging questions can come. So that can different flavors will coming into us. That is really motivating us. That is really challenging us every day. Some kind of active discussions.
Yaldo, most of the coding bootcamp faces challenges. Like there are a lot of good coding bootcamps who also train well, but they fail to place people because of either they don't have a proper placement strategy or they don't have their own recruitment members, so they have to corely rely on third parties. As you know, as we have the job marketing strategy, we have our own recruitment team all over the world. And how was your experience working with them? Who helped you, if you want to tell?
For that purpose, I should be thankful to Obama and Mexico and Ashraf. They were relentlessly working for me, marketing me. I think at least 80-20 rule, 80% of the time they were doing because I have some other job to do. I should be thankful to Obama and Mexico especially for that one. And they were doing, especially all the job portals, every week they were placing my updated profiles and help me get a lot of interviews. A real salute to you and your company because very transparent. Things are very what we told and what we signed. Everything is transparent. Everything is in paper, black and white. So there is no question of ambiguity.
Right.
So I'm so happy because I know that what kind of courses you are going to give me, how much I'm paying, how much I have to pay.
That's what we want to be.
That was the story of Mr. Aji. Please follow us on Facebook/Transfotech Academy and sign up with Transfotech Academy with our 6-month long Q Engineering Bootcamp and change your life.